Volume. Friends, we are familiar with cubes and cuboids. Some examples of cuboids and cubes are shown here. A cuboid has 6 rectangular faces and a cube has 6 square faces. Let us build a cuboid with congruent cubes and find its volume. Take a few congruent cubical blocks. Each edge of a cube is 1 centimeter. We call it a unit cube. Place 5 of these cubical blocks in a row. These 5 cubical blocks, when arranged in a row like this, form a cuboid whose length is 5 centimeters, breadth is 1 centimeter, and height is also 1 centimeter. It occupies 5 times the space occupied by a single cube. Now let us add 3 more rows of such cubes having 5 cubes in each row. This new cuboid has length 5 centimeters and breadth 4 centimeters and height of 1 centimeter. How many cubes did we use to build this cuboid? That is, 5 multiplied by 4 is equal to 20. Thus, the space occupied by this cuboid is 20 times the space occupied by a single cube. Now add 2 more layers of such cubes on the top of this cuboid, each layer having 20 cubes. You will get a cuboid as shown. The height of this cuboid is 3 centimeters. So, how many cubes are used to build this cuboid? That is 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 or 20 multiplied by 3 or 60. The space occupied by this cuboid is 60 times the space occupied by a single cube. Thus, for measuring the space occupied by a solid, we count the number of cubes contained by the solid. The number of unit cubes is called the volume of the solid. The volume of this cuboid is 60 cubes. Friends, let us find the formula to find the volume of any cuboid. Look at this cube. It has length of 1 centimeter, breadth of 1 centimeter and height of 1 centimeter. So, it occupies the volume of 1 unit cube. The volume of this cube is 1 cubic centimeter. We write 1 cubic centimeter as 1 cm. Similarly, the volume of a cube of side 1 meter is 1 cubic meter, written as 1 cum. Now look at this figure. It has length of 3 centimeters, breadth of 2 centimeters and height of 1 centimeter. So it occupies the volume of 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 6 cubic centimeter. This figure has length of 4 centimeters, breadth of 3 centimeters and height of 2 centimeters. So it occupies the volume of 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 24 cubic centimeter. Thus we find that the volume of a cuboid is equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height unit cubes. Let us learn the measures of volume. 1000 cubic millimeter is equal to 1 cubic centimeter. 1000 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 cubic decimeter. 1000 cubic decimeter is equal to 1 cubic meter. With the help of this conversion table, we can convert smaller to bigger units of volume and vice versa. Let us convert 0.5 cubic meter into cubic centimeter and 7500 cubic millimeter into cubic centimeter. We know that 1 cubic meter is equal to 10 lakh cubic centimeter. Therefore, to convert 0.5 cubic meter into cubic centimeter, we multiply it with 10 lakhs and get 5 lakh cubic centimeters. To convert 7500 cubic millimeter into cubic centimeters, we divide it by 1000 as 1000 cubic millimeter is equal to 1 cubic centimeter. Thus, we find that 7500 500 cubic millimeter is equal to 7.5 cubic centimeter. Let us observe some more examples to find out the volume. Let the length, breadth and height of a cuboid are 7 cm, 5 cm and 4 cm respectively. Find its volume. Here length is equal to 7 cm, breadth is equal to 5 cm, height is equal to 4 cm. Volume of cuboid is equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height is equal to 7 cm multiplied by 5 cm multiplied by 4 cm is equal to 7 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4 cubic centimeter is equal to 140 cucm or cubic centimeter. Let us take an example of a cube. The side of a cube be 9 cm. Find its volume. Side of the cube is 9 cm. Therefore, volume of the cube is equal to side multiplied by side multiplied by side is equal to 9 cm multiplied by 9 cm multiplied by 9 cm is equal to 729 cucm or cubic centimeter.